Hey guys, it's Jeff Barons at the Checker Garage. I apologize I haven't had a lot of time to do any video this year, and I thought it'd be good to do a little update on the Twin Hawk that I'm building here. It's going to be a Magnuson supercharged LT1, hence the name. It's a twin screw supercharger, a Twin Hawk. That's kind of where I got that from. Basically, I'm going to do a real quick catch up on the project. We had the original chassis 3D scanned. The engineers where I work drew me up a frame. We had the frame rails bent from a guy over in Ohio named Mike, Cornfield Customs. He bent frame rails for me. You can see underneath here we've got Speedway Motors G-Comp front end under this thing, grafted into the frame rails here. That was one of the first major accomplishments on the jig table. And then if you come around to the back here, I know I've got a little bit of a mess going on here, but we took it's got a G-Comp autocross torque arm setup for the rear end with a Dutchman Fab 9 back there with roll bar. You can see AFCO coilovers, all the goodies back here. We ended up doing we had to do a 2-inch mini tub on the car to fit the 315 3020s underneath the back of this thing. Didn't really want to do a whole lot of work on sheet metal wise. We kept it pretty easy as far as that went, but on the inside of the car, we ended up having to put a whole new tunnel. We're going to run an 8-speed automatic transmission in it, so it had to have obviously a lot larger tunnel than the original transmission took. We raised the tunnel in the car up 4 inches the whole way because it was a 2-piece drive shaft originally, and those tunnels are super low down. That kind of covers in a nutshell the chassis and the drivetrain. I've just started working on some of the interior mock-up right now. I bought a set of TMI buckets to put in it. We're going to run a Malibu center console because it has a Tiptronic shifter in it that'll work with the 8-speed automatic transmission. I bought a can't remember what kind of Flaming River steering column for it. We're going to run an E-Pass electric power steering unit for the car, as well as also going to run electric power brakes on the car. I bought the kit from Speedway Motors. You can see the module inside there is where the power comes from, and then here's the master up on the firewall. We did a custom firewall in the car too. The old one was just too busy. Pretty much the last piece of the puzzle on trying to get the sheet metal squared in this thing is to get the radiator support standoffs and all that stuff built right now. So the front end components, I apologize it's not put together. I would like you to see the whole G-Comp road race front end, but I've got all the control arms and stuff off. Everything's sent out to get powder coated. Try to get that stuff finished up. The body's going to come back off the rotisserie here hopefully next month, and then we're going to end up putting the frame, get it completely finished up, welded, painted, get it back on the ground, and then get the body set back on the frame. Hopefully by this fall the car is back to being a roller. So that's pretty much the Twin Hawk update as of this year. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it.
Full send.